Hi all, very good morning. Today our topic is actually I recently attended to the Cognizant company interviews. Okay, just I will post my uh, interview experience on the same time interview questions also. Maybe somebody peoples who are the trying to the some other companies for interview, right? Maybe it's will useful. This interview only specifically only JMeter tool only, no other tools. Interview also specifically will ask a few questions, especially in JMeter tool. Now I need to discuss that one. Okay, maybe somebody people will be help. Okay, it's a very short video. You can see my heading. I attended to the Cognizant. Okay, Cognizant company. It's only first round only. First round Apache JMeter interview questions. At the same time, this video only discuss about the questions only. Okay, my next video I will provide it to the answers also. Okay, this location everything in Chennai location. Okay, Manapakkam area, company located. Okay, now I will start to the directly interview questions. You can see guys, this is the in general question for everybody. Tell me about yourself and your roles and responsibilities. But you need to explain based on your experience. I'm currently 8 years experience. That is on my level. It's a different. I need to explain all the end to end for performance testing point of view, especially JMeter. Okay, and in first round, right? The questions are very simple, but you need to provide answer is very too difficult. It's a complete full information you need to provide. Okay, the first one, what is performance testing? Okay, it's a common question. Then what is load testing and what is JMeter? Shall you use JMeter performance load testing? Okay, this question is very simple, but you need to provide there is a lot of information you need to provide. Simply, you told yes, right? Means you're able to use the performance of load testing in JMeter. Yes means sometimes that is also completely wrong. Reason all the protocols, all types of applications JMeter is not supported. Okay, you need to give the answers very carefully. After fifth one, explain the steps in creating a performance and load test for a Java application from end to end. Okay, you need to creating the test plan or any performance of load test. The process is same, application keep on change. Okay, you don't worry about any specific application, nothing else. The process is same only. After sixth one, which tool you use to view the performance? Okay, view the performance means you need to use what tool you are currently testing. Example JMeter, right? JMeter only you able to use, but some other small tools also it's available. That tools also used to you can view the performance, especially page to page performance also you able to check it. Okay, seventh one, should you have JDK for running JMeter application in our system? Means JDK is the most priority and the most sometimes which version of Java will be supported in JMeter without any issue. Most of the time 1.8 will be supported. Okay, higher versions also, but 1.8 is most popular. After eighth one, what are the applications, servers, protocols you test in JMeter? Okay, this one everyone you know, right? It's a few protocols only JMeter will support it, but that protocols, what type of servers and applications will be tested, you need to give some examples also. Ninth one is explain CLI mode. Okay, explain CLI mode. It's a command mode only. How we need to use a complete details you need to provide starting to end. What are samplers? Sampler means it's a protocols only. Okay, but how we need to use that one. 11th one, what are the features and advantages of JMeter? This is also a common question. But what are the new latest JMeter tool, right? That JMeter tool, what are the new features? You need to provide that one also you need to include. 12 is JMeter is a browser. Okay, JMeter is not a browser, it's a tool, but it's supported to recording the any scripts through browser, through browser. Okay, how to do JMeter remote testing? It's a very big concept, but whatever question is asking, right? How to do JMeter remote testing? You can explain very simple little bit examples also. What are the settings you need to do? Everything you need to explain this. 14th, explain test plan. Write a test plan. Okay, both are same only. Some sample test plans also available in JMeter. You can directly go to view and you can use to the that test plan also based on any basic applications. Otherwise, your own way you can create it. 15th, how you start up JMeter in Windows OS. Okay, everyone you know, right? JMeter.bat. We need to run this one. How to test the web services. Okay, soap and rust. Um, Soap and rust you need to test, right? Web services you need to use the through JMeter tool. Some automation peoples also same way you can use it, and some other tools also available. So UI Postman also will be used. 17th, explain number of threads, loop count, ramp up period, samplers, listeners, and functions. Okay, this is also some examples used to you need to explain. It's basic questions only. 18th is how to test database. What are the test plan you need to do? 19, explain JMS test plan. Okay, most of the people did not use this one JMS. Okay, means email related, message related. You need to use. This is also one of the big concept. Explain the test plan is very simple, but way of testing and testing time, what type of issues you faced. Okay, what type of requirement you get in, lot of questions will become whenever you need to explain. Okay, 20 is explain FTP test plan. Okay, this one some people sometimes use. Okay, 21 is what is the difference between JMeter old and new versions. This one you able to explain, it's a common one. After, what is the use of JSR 223 sampler, explain briefly with examples. Okay, this one little bit difficult, you need to explain. Okay, some examples is must and should. What type of scenario you are currently using, what type of issue you faced, why you need to use JSR 223 sampler. Okay, that is preprocessor you used or post processor you used. What is the use of preprocessor and what is the use of post processor? How to resolve the issue, what type of code you return. Okay, what is the logic base that you write. Okay, whenever question will be start, right, automatically you can give any answer. Interviewer automatically the same answer only you will create the question, you will directly will ask. Okay, way of asking is very simple, but you can explain the answer, right? It's too difficult, sometimes is not able to answer also. Okay, these are the complete 22 questions only. It's not take that much time, but I will explain slow one by one, right? Slowly it will take around 1 hour will be taken. Okay, these are the most questions, guys. The first round of Cognizant interview will be taken, but interview will be taken, right? The person you don't have that much experience. Okay, especially in JMeter tool. That reason it will ask a little bit and basic questions only will ask. Okay, it's a first round, right? This is the sample type of questions only. Whenever rounds will be changed automatically, he will ask very tough level. Okay, not only questions, it will take directly in system test also. Okay, that is a big best way. Most of the time, you need to try to recruit the peoples. You can give the system test. Around 80% peoples will be filtered in one shot. Reason system test means some people will be learn interview questions and they will come to interview, but he did not practice how you need to use. Okay, Whenever try to take any system test, most of the filter fail means peoples are moved only a little bit, people's only it's available. You can take interview very easily. And one more thing, guys, who are the people is seriously trying for job, right? Please, what are the questions currently it's came? You can learn it for questions point of view, direct questions point of view. At the same time, you need to practice it. Okay, example, you can see this ninth question. Explain CLI mode. Very simple. Okay, but whenever you try to practically how you need to use the JMeter in non-GI mode. Non-GI mode means it's a CLI mode, another name only. How we need to use. Okay, whenever you are trying, what type of issues it's came. These all are things you need to learn your own self. You can practice it. You will face some issues, right? You can check to the Google or YouTube or some blogs, and you can find some solution, and your own self you can resolve it, right? That time it's everything in remember your brain, and whenever you will ask the question, right, and directly you can give the answer. Okay, that is only most of the time in my videos I will explain. Please practice it. Okay, whenever you practice, you can easily you can crack the interview. It's not a big deal. Okay, and who are the people is trying, right? My best way, but location for especially India point of view, um, Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu means Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka is the best places. Okay, as software peoples, means so many companies available, you able to get job also easily. Okay, just my suggestion, means most of the people is staying these locations only. Okay, you can note down, guys. Maybe some of the peoples are these interview questions. Maybe you can write down any some books. Okay, any notebook you can return and take some. My next video also I will provided answers also. Everything note down in your own any some other book, right? Whenever you read it very easily you can get it. Okay, just a few minutes you can. I will scroll down one by one. Maybe you can write down it. And one more last important point. Example, you can see what are the questions. Completely, you will ask around 22 questions, but based on your experience, your way of explain, everything is completely different, guys. The candidate is just 2 3 years experience or 5 years below experienced candidate. You can explain just what is what, that is sufficient. More than 8 10 years experienced candidate, way of explanation is very different. Okay, on the same time the people's expectation also too different. Okay, everything most of the time we will try to get the system test, and any live project also will be given. Okay, how we need to do that one, how to validate, how to um, creating the scripts, execution, reporting, find out the performance issues, not only bottlenecks, mainly performance issues, why you degraded, what are the reasons will be degraded. Okay, how to collect the all the metrics where you are checking. Okay, and all the metrics how you need to define everything, and all the details who need to contact to discuss that one. how to resolve it, what are the recommendations you provided. Okay, all are things in just one interview only you will take it. That reason most of the people ignore it in performance testing life cycle. The life cycle only. Okay, what are the stages, what are the steps you use, please you can learn very clearly and you can practice it. Okay, you have a knowledge end to end, you have a practical knowledge. Okay, you able to get anywhere in the job and you able to sustain anywhere for especially performance testing in JMeter tool side. Okay, whenever tool will be changed, right, there's so many things also completely changed, but in your hand minimum 2 3 tools you have in your hand, right, you're able to get easily job anywhere. Okay, my best session around 8 years of experience in my life in performance testing career. I will see most of the projects, especially in banking sector, will use only load runner. It's a commanded tool. No other tools will be used. Just only my experience, I will tell you. Only my experience side, only load runner only will use. In same banking projects, some other projects, same banking only, some other projects. Okay, he will use JMeter. Same combination only JMeter also will use, and the neoload also will use. Okay, and my personally I worked some other tool, login VSI. Okay, it's a login VSI company. Only VDA performance only will be checking. VDA means, example, any employee will join, right, in organization. He will given one VDA, virtual machine, virtual desktop will be given, right. That VDA is only within the data centers. He will need to do the load test, stress remaining, all the tests you need to perform, and you can find out the performance issues. Okay, that is one type of tool, and RPT also will use, and Gatling. Okay, then nowadays it's coming Gatling also. Okay, these are the most of the tools, guys. Load runner, JMeter, Neoload, RPT, Gatling. Okay, login VSI. Just I am myself or I working on project. Okay, you can leave it that one. These are the most of the tools. Okay, and the same time monitoring tools you can learn it, and cloud related AWS, Azure, GCP, and the log analytics tools also you can learn. Splunk, Grafana, Elasticsearch, and programming. That is, it's a common, right? JMeter side, Groovier, Beanshell, C language, Java, okay, JavaScript, and some. This is programming level. On the same time, database side also you need to learn. Okay, these all knowledge you have. This is not only one day you're not able to learn. Step by step you can learn, right? Automatically you have big knowledge. At the same time, the market also keep on change, right? Okay, so many companies nowadays asking so many tools and technologies. You able to easily you can sustain individually, without any help you able to work. Okay, and one more important point, whenever you join any company, right, please do not depends on anybody. Anybody never depends on. Okay, that is your manager or your team lead or anyone. Okay, do not depends on your own self, your own way you need to try to work. Okay, few days maybe you have a difficult, after you automatically you can work it. Okay, that is one important thing. Okay, independently you need to work. Yeah, that's all, guys. This video I will divert at another topics also. Okay, you can see these are the questions only will ask in my interview. Okay, it's a simple only, but experience based, the explanation is different. Okay, okay, this is Cognizant Chennai location. It's a simply will done, but lot of time I will waited interview purpose in Chennai office. Okay, around 1 hour only will take an interview, it's not more than. Okay, maybe somebody will use, right, this interview questions also. That reason I posted to you. Maybe anybody will be used, right? Please, you can use it. My next video I will provide the answers also. I will prepare and I will post it to you. And you have any still any questions, please comment me. I will provide my best. Okay. Yeah, that's all guys, this video. I will connect with my next video and try to provide the answers also. Maybe it will take 1 or 2 days time. Yeah, that's all guys today video. I will try to connect with my next video. Bye everyone. Thanks a lot. Your great support my channel. And my last request, you like this video, please subscribe my channel. I will provide continuously same performance related and remaining software related videos. Keep on I'm providing based on my experience. Maybe somebody this video will be help. Thanks everyone. Bye.